So this is our classic chicken piccata, sauteed chicken breast with a reverse breading on it. It's a lemon caper cream sauce. Usually use like a Chardonnay or something like that. There's a little garlic, white pepper, very savory. You know, a lot of the stuff that they used to do here when I got out here was more for the hospital and the geriatric community. And what I've done is I've kind of gone through and I found stuff that's more similar to country club style food. And I think that kind of takes away the stigma of hospital food. I think it makes the employees happy. And also when you're a guest here in the hospital, you can come down here and get food that's as good as anywhere. So these are the Brussels sprouts, caramelized with soy and brown sugar and candied walnuts. And we also have some butter and brown sugar glazed carrots. So I've worked in a lot of different kitchens all over the state, and everywhere you go, people make piccata and marsala, and everybody does it a little bit different. So I've kind of taken my favorite aspects of everybody's and kind of made it my own. We get a lot of compliments and yeah, a lot of great feedback. So that's what's rewarding for me. From being in 4-H and baking with my grandma, making homemade cinnamon rolls to pecan rolls, and just traveling with my family. Just food's always a topic of conversation, whether you get together with your relatives or anywhere you go. And I think food makes people happy, it brings people together, and that makes me happy.